In this video, let me show you how we can show the weather in the top bar on your Mac computer. So as you can see on the home screen, you can see that we can add it as a widget, but in the top portion of the display, we have things like the date and the time and all of the controls. So if you want to add the weather information, for that, we need to go to the settings app. Like this. The settings app opens up, and in the left panel you can scroll through a little bit until you find the menu bar. So click on the menu bar in here and you essentially decide what shows up in the top right corner, right? So as you can see, I have things like the Siri going on so I can hide it and so on, right? So as you can see, that's how it works. But if you keep on scrolling below, you should also see the weather. And when you enable it like this, the weather should appear right there. So as you can see, the temperature and also the details about it. And when you expand it, you can see some more information about the weather. So that's actually very useful. That's how we can see it at all times. Let me know if you managed to make it work on your Mac computer as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.